Hello again and welcome to the Famous Mommy channel at YouTube. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos for more of these wonderful informational, educational videos. Today I'm just going to show you how I'm going to clean out my refrigerator. You know, we're going to go check the dates on things and just get rid of stuff because it's getting pretty dirty in there and we got to clean it. I do this maybe once a month. So here we go. I suggest having a nice large trash bag on hand. Hold on, Mama. We're going to clean the fridge. Okay, so like baby food that's been in there a few extra days, you know, 2-3 days, you want to throw that out because it goes bad after a while. So I have a lot of that. It gets put away, or if Daddy feeds the babies and he decides not to finish the jar, he puts it in the fridge but forgets to throw it away after it's been in there a few days. Look, we even have an old milk from a fast food place. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see. We've got lots of stuff in here. What do we need? Oh, don't need that anymore. That's bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right. Let's see. Is this outdated? February 11th, 2020. I think we're okay on that one. Okay. Guacamole, that's kind of gone bad. Yuck, gotta go. Okay, that was from like a week ago. Yeah, probably shouldn't still be in the refrigerator. It's pretty gross. Okay, an onion that didn't get put away properly. Yeah, I don't think we want that in our fridge anymore, right? Ew. Okay. See, if I don't do this in my household, no one will, and the refrigerator will stay completely messy. So let's see, we can put that up there. Okay, this is what I think is funny about my family. I've got a large family, but teenagers leave juice things in the refrigerator. Like, how do you, it's supposed to be frozen. So we're gonna throw that away too, but we're probably gonna dump that down the sink before you put it in your trash bag because you don't want it to leak everywhere. Right? Okay, I think Grey Poupon stays good for a while. Who knows? But I like it. It's good. I'll still eat it even if it's outdated. So some things that are outdated really don't go bad that fast. We've got probiotics. That's a good thing to keep on. Let's see. My whole peeled tomatoes. Okay, yeah. That's pretty gross. I think this got lost in the shuffle. Ew! I knew something smelled funky in my refrigerator, so figured it was time to get rid of all this stuff. Okay, because we want a nice clean refrigerator. I got my baby probiotics. Okay, let's see. All right, we're going to take most of this out. Okay. I'm going to take it all out, and then I'm going to clean it and do a nice scrub down. Like I said, we do this about once a month, so to make sure that the fridge stays clean. All right, these can be thrown away. We haven't used this, so I'm going to throw that away too. Lots of stuff today to throw away. Let me see. Another baby food. See, they just don't get used again. Once we use a little bit of it, it's unfortunate that that goes to waste, but you know, if you don't use it within 2-3 days in the refrigerator, then it pretty much goes bad. All right, so we're throwing away. What's up, Mama? Uh-oh, look, it's my happy girl. Look, are you gonna help me throw away the stuff in the fridge? What's that look on your face? You're so cute. Oh my goodness. Say, oh, you want Mommy's soda? I guess it's zero sugar root beer that has stevia, I think, in it. Natural flavors, proprietary blend. Yep, stevia and monk fruit. So I think that's okay. You can have a sip. At least it's not filled with sugar and caffeine, right? If you're going to give your kid soda, which I don't want to. But Mommy, she sees Mommy do it, so I have to lead by example, right? Shame on Mommy. But soda's good sometimes. Okay. Baby sister fell asleep. We're going to be right back. I'm going to finish throwing out some stuff. Let me see if I find any more interesting stuff in this refrigerator, and I will share that with you. All of you wonderful people watching our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Okay, here we have some almonds. and some whole cashews, organic. This one's March 14th, 2019. I think that's a little expired. Let's try it. They still taste fine to me, and almonds are very good for you. Great for breast milk. They are, you know, filled with omega-3s and a lot of protein. So almonds, very good for your diet. Okay, yeah, this is lovely. This was put all the way in the back of the refrigerator, and it's my tofu, and I totally even forgot it was in there. It was covered with some tin foil, but unfortunately didn't quite keep it so fresh, huh? And that's actually just from last week, so I'm not gonna eat that. This is something I found that I love. It's actually vegan Parmesan. It's really yummy. It's like a nut cheese that you can sprinkle on your pastas and everything if you want to keep it vegan. I love it. It was wonderful when I was fully vegan. I just loved it. And I think I'm going to go back on the vegan diet as soon as I am done breastfeeding. If you really want to declutter your refrigerator, you know, this stuff kind of just finds its way into your refrigerator, right, at times. No one ever uses it. You can always go back to the restaurant where you got it from and get more, so trash! See, now these things are things I keep in my refrigerator all the time. We have kale and arugula. It's very healthy stuff. I like to saute it with a little tiny bit of butter for my daughter in the morning. And fresh grapes, these are good. We're putting those back for sure in our refrigerator. But I'm still getting rid of stuff that's outdated and other things too. Yes, my love. What's up, sweetheart? What's up? What are you doing? Baby sister's still sleeping right here next to me. Okay, let's see. This is what I love too. I love having tofu, the extra firm kind. I'll teach you a great recipe on how to do like a tofu scramble in the morning for breakfast. It's wonderful. It's very healthy. It's good for breast milk.
Mommy.
What? Uh-oh. What happened? Did you get a boo-boo? Do you need a kiss for your boo-boo? Do you need a kiss for your boo-boo? Oh no, boo-boo. What happened to boo-boo? Oh, kisses for this? Oh no. What happened? Where is it? Again? Wait, what are you saying? Tell them. What did you say? You got a boo-boo? Oh no! We're gonna have to go fix it, huh? Okay, mommy, have a kiss on the cheek. Oh, thank you. Okay, we're gonna go check out what she's talking about real quick, and I'll be right back. So these are some of the things that I love that are in my refrigerator as well. Royal jelly and honey. That's not very vegan though. And chili garlic sauce. I love this stuff. It really flavors, makes it a little spicy. The only thing is I think it might have MSG, so I don't recommend really using it while, or sodium bisulfite. Yeah, I know it's probably got a lot of chemicals. You shouldn't be using it, but I love it. It's just so good. It adds a lot of spice and some garlic, but I don't suggest it while you're breastfeeding. So maybe we'll throw that out and buy it when we're not, you know? So I'm not tempted to use anything that would not be good for my daughter in breast milk. Let's see what else. I just have random butters here. I have that. Let's see, we've got more little sauces we don't need. Trash. Miracle Whip. I haven't used that in quite some time, so let's see where the date is. I can't even find a date. Trash. So let's see what else we have in here that we can get rid of so we can make it a nice refrigerator. Ranch, it's almost gone. Trash. Oh my goodness. My daughter's going to have a payday. It's where I hid some of the Halloween candy. Let's put that away. Maybe we will trash that as well today. Okay. This has been in there for a little while. See, it's already separating, so I'm going to get rid of that as well today. And like today's like our shopping day. I like to go every 2 weeks and fill up the refrigerator with lots of healthy food like vegetables and fruits and things like that for my daughters and myself in order to create healthy breast milk, in order for my kids to be very healthy. That's why I like to empty this out once a month, get it ready for all the new wonderful food that we're going to be eating. Let's see. I have capers for different recipes I like to make. I've got that Red's Wings hot sauce. Love that stuff. That's some good stuff. I'm going to keep that. That lasts forever. Salted caramel, Smuckers, froyo topping. Woo! Yeah, we're keeping that for sure. What's up, my love? This isn't the healthiest refrigerator to show you, but after I go shopping, I'll show you what we fill our yummy refrigerator with, and you'll see all the healthy stuff. What? What do you see? See, there's a whole full branch here. Okay, we're not going to get rid of any of that. I think we can get rid of this because this wasn't very good. And I don't think, yeah, this one's about outdated as well. Okay, this one's from September. We're going to get rid of that. Hold on, Mama. We're going to throw stuff away right now. You going to help Mommy? Are you going to help Mommy throw stuff away? Are you? Can you give me a high five? Oh, you want Mommy to hold you. See, this little one, she's been very needy since her sister's been born. And she wants Mommy to hold her all the time. So, oh, is that what you want? You want some yummy grapes? Okay, let Mommy wash them and you can have some, okay? Yeah? Here, let's open the grapes. See, I love how my daughter reaches for the healthy food. That makes me really happy. I like to have these grapes and other types of things on the bottom shelf so she can reach for them, but these were not cut properly, so we don't want her to choke. I mean, she's gotten used to eating the grapes and doing well with them, but usually you should cut them in fours, you know, cut them this way and then cut them that way and maybe even cut them in half so that your kid does not choke. Okay, you stay there for Mommy for 1 second. I'm going to rinse the grapes and then we're going to cut them and then you can have them, okay? Don't eat them right out of the bag though, or are you all ready? Here, you have, no, oh! Ew, that wasn't washed. How about you eat these? These are washed and yummy. Okay, yeah, you don't want to eat it when it's not washed. It can make your tummy upset. We don't want that, right? Okay, one at a time and chew. Remember what I taught you so you don't choke. No, one at a time. You chew it until you're finished. Good job. Is that good? Is that a super yummy grape? All right. All right, well, as soon as I'm done feeding my daughter a snack, we'll get back to that refrigerator. Another thing I have in my fridge that I wanted to share with you is avocados. They're super good for your skin, your hair. They're great for breast milk. They're just wonderful all around superfood. Definitely want to try to keep avocados if you can in your fridge and eat them relatively shortly if they're a little mushy because they go bad pretty fast, but in your refrigerator they stay good a little longer. You definitely want to throw celery sticks that are kind of like sitting in the back of the fridge. I think people put things way in the back and they forget about them, which is what happens at our house a lot. You know, we'll eat a few things and then it gets put back in the refrigerator, like way in the back, and then other good healthy stuff gets put around it, or you know, even takeout from restaurants that gets put in front of it and we just forget about it. You don't see it anymore, you know. So another thing that has to be thrown out. It's really good to clean out your refrigerator at least once a month, you know, to get all the stuff out of it that doesn't need to be there anymore. Okay, now it's time to scrub. I have a natural clean green cleaner that I use that's concentrated, and you wet it down with some water. That's what I use to spray and clean and sanitize the refrigerator. And we're going to get in here and start scrubbing. You can either take the drawer out as well. What's up, Mom? What's up, Mama? So we're going to take the drawers out. That way we can keep the power on there. Are you trying to eat an avocado? Would you like to eat some? But it's hard with kids because they keep interrupting the process, you know, so it does take mommies a little longer to clean all the time, especially with young children. Okay, we're not going to have that right now, but I'll make it for you as a snack if you'd like. Can you just wait for mommy to finish cleaning the refrigerator out? Please? Please? All right, so you go ahead and wet. Mommy's just going to wipe this down, and then I'm going to put it in the sink, and I'm going to scrub it. That's what we're going to do. Okay, I'm going to wipe all this stuff down. This is our cheese drawer. We have vegan cheese. I've got string cheese. Got all kinds of cheese. We like cheeses here, huh? What happened? Okay, we got to dump all that stuff in the trash. Check. Alright, I can get everything cleaned out of that. That wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad. What? Are you want tofu? All right, mommy, tofu. Then I just kind of dry it. but get all clean. All right, now we are done cleaning at least one drawer. So I'm gonna get back to that. You kind of get the gist, right? So you just do this to every shelf and every drawer. And then your refrigerator will be sparkling clean. Here's our nicely clean cheese drawer now. I've piled up the cheeses on top of each other, and then I also have yummy chicken soup that is vegan, or that's chicken flavor. Wait, that one's not vegan. This one's mine. That one's more vegan. That's Papa's. And then pasta zero. We love that stuff. It's really healthy. It's made out of mushrooms. So that's a yummy thing to have in our refrigerator. We always have garlic. Garlic is super healthy as well. Okay, we're back from the store and our fridge is clean and it's filled with all of this healthy, yummy vegetables and all sorts of things. Low sugar yogurt, goat's milk, almond milk in the back. Lots of good, yummy, healthy stuff. We got our little veggie tray down there. So, all kinds of good stuff. That was us today cleaning out our refrigerator. And thank you.